If you are running an enterprise account, to manage this, hover over Management, go to Enterprise, and here you'll be able to see your main account, as is currently with no sensors, and all of your subdivisions below this. So here you can see the parent companies with no sensors, and the technical email address and accounting email address of all are stated below. If you would like to create a new division, which will sit under the main account, hit this icon here, create the division name, let them know if you would like SMS notifications to be allowed, input the address, and then hit create new division now. I'm not going to do this as it's just a demo, so I'm going to come out, but I'll show you what else you can do with your subdivisions. So if you now want to go into, let's say, asset tag demo, for example, click this icon here, and this will automatically take us into this subdivision. Please be aware that none of the subdivisions can see what each other are doing, and they can also not see what the parent account is doing as well. So it's just their own account. So I'm going to go to Overview and then Temp, and this will show you the sensor that we've got in our asset tag demo. Same with management and the sensor, everything is just going to be as a new account. But if you are managing the domain accounts, you can quickly flip back by hitting this icon here, and now we are on with no sensors main account. So if you want to go the quicker way, just click the with no sensors account at the top left, scroll down to whichever subdivision you want to access, and there we can see we're now in Chadsworth, so all the data is there. So that was basically the flip between each account. So we want to now add credits to each subdivision. To do this, same process, hover over Management and then click Enterprise, and this should take us into the screen we saw earlier. We're now going to go over to Credits, and this will take us into a screen where we can transfer credits from our main account to the subdivision. So for this example, I want it to be sent to our Spanish office. I want 4 credits to be sent over, and as soon as I press transfer credits, 4 will be deducted from ours and will be going into the Spanish office. Here we can see each account has so many loggers, this many credits are due in 1 month, 3 months, and it just gives you all the information there. So that is changing the credits over from one account to another. The last thing to show you on the enterprise accounts for this particular section is going to be the device overview. So here you can change one device from being onto one account to another. So they'll more than likely be registered to your main account, and then we can basically change them over to go to each different account. It helps especially when various sensors will be going from different account to different account, so it wouldn't have to be deregistered and re-registered. It's just a case of changing it on here. So as you can see, these are all of our sensors. If I click this button here, it will take me into the asset tag. So there we can transfer device. So target division, I'm not got the ability to do so because it has to be the management user, but you will select the subdivision, hit transfer device, hit save, and then that will be changed from this account to the other. So yeah, that's the main aspects of the enterprise account.